afternoon. Our topic is all about bloggers and journalists comparison. A professional journalist likely competes a journalist degree program in the USA. Learning grammar, interview techniques, legal implication, and ethics before pursuing a position at the newspaper, TV station, or magazine. A blogger is a writer or business person seeking to share ideas or attract customers for their products or services. They can chronicle daily experiences, manage and configure their website, and attract readers. To blog can gain hundreds of followers while the poorest struggle. Everybody can identify as anything they choose, but that doesn't mean it's true. Some people who not possess a PhD or a medical degree have still billed themselves as doctor. You can identify as a journalist if you so like, but in order to be need to have credentials and experiences under your belt.